Hello everyone, welcome back to Language Learning Point. In this video, I gonna share few tips that will help you how you can start your English learning journey. And if you are a beginner, you must watch this video till the end. So without further delay, let's get into the video. In today's video, I gonna share some levels how you can learn English by level to level. So in today's video, we gonna talk about level first. Once you have studied English for few weeks or months, you should be able to certain basic things, and these are: first one, use simple greetings and introductions. Yes, you are able to say hello and can introduce yourself to others. Second, talk about basic personal information. You can talk about yourself a little bit. You can describe your height, your eye color, the length of your hair, and other basic things. You can also describe other people to general terms. Third, explain family information. You can talk a little about your family, describe your parents, discuss how many brothers or sisters you have, and say if they are younger or older than you. You can say whether you are married or not, and you can talk about how many children you have and how old they are. Fourth, express survival or travel needs. At a restaurant or market, you can order meals or buy food. You can get a room in a hostel or hotel. You can also buy a plane or train ticket or take a bus wherever you want to go. At the level 1, you know enough English to make sure you have food, shelter, and transportation. Fifth one, hold very basic conversations. As long as people speak English slowly, you can have simple conversations about basic topics. You feel confident in talking about the weather. You can make comments on the everyday world around you. So it's all about the level 1. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll get back soon with level 2. And please don't forget to give a thumbs up if you really enjoyed my video, and if you people are new over here, then take a moment to subscribe my YouTube channel Language Learning Point. Bye bye.